In Ontario 2025, the use of PrizePicks is a topic of interest for many individuals looking to engage in fantasy, sports and other related activities. To determine if you can use PrizePicks in Ontario, it is essential to understand the current regulatory environment and the specific rules that govern fantasy sports in the region. First, it is crucial to note that PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to participate in various contests and win prizes. The platform operates in several jurisdictions, including the United States, but its availability in Ontario depends on the local laws and regulations. In Ontario, the Alcohol and Gaming Commission of Ontario is responsible for regulating fantasy sports and other gaming activities. The Commission has established rules and guidelines that govern the operation of fantasy sports platforms, including PrizePicks. To use PrizePicks in Ontario, you must meet the eligibility criteria set by the platform and comply with the local regulations. This includes being at least 18 years old and providing proof of age and identity. Additionally, you must ensure that you are not prohibited from participating in fantasy sports or other gaming activities under Ontario law. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can create an account on the PrizePicks platform and start participating in contests. However, it is essential to note that PrizePicks may not be available in Ontario due to regulatory restrictions. In this case, you may need to explore alternative fantasy sports platforms that are licensed and regulated by the Alcohol and Gaming Commission of Ontario. In conclusion, the use of PrizePicks in Ontario 2025 depends on the regulatory environment and the specific rules that govern fantasy sports in the region. While PrizePicks is a popular platform, its availability in Ontario may be limited due to local regulations. It is essential to understand the eligibility criteria and comply with the rules and guidelines set by the Alcohol and Gaming Commission of Ontario to participate in fantasy sports and other related activities.